Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to fix Raycast if you're having trouble logging in. Don't worry, it's usually an easy fix, so let's jump right in. First, make sure your internet connection is working properly. Raycast needs a stable connection to log in, so try opening a browser to confirm everything's online. Next, double check that you're entering the correct email and password. Typos happen, so take a moment to ensure everything is correct. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password to reset it. If you're still stuck, clearing the login cache can help. Open Finder, go to Library, then Raycast, and delete the cache and saved state folders. Don't worry, this won't delete your extensions. After clearing the cache, quit Raycast completely and reopen it. Try logging in again, and it should work smoothly this time. If it still doesn't work, reach out to Raycast support through their website. They can help troubleshoot account-specific issues. And that's how you fix Raycast login problems quickly. Hopefully this saves you some time and keeps your workflow smooth. Thanks for watching and stay productive. Hey everyone,